Hello, my name is Nurhayati binti Annan. My student ID is 2019685516 and I'm from CS2302B. So I made this program called Students Exam Records Management. Basically, this program is to calculate, to store and also to display their record. So I will present the flowchart and also the coding. Okay, we move to the flowchart. So basically, this is the flowchart for the main function. In this function, user need to enter the choice. If the user enter number 1, then the system will go to the result function. And if the user enter number 2, the system will go to the entry underscore menu function. If the user enter number 3, the system will print student detail management system, and otherwise the system will print wrong choice enter. So the second flowchart is for the void result function. User need to enter the choice. If the choice equals to number 1, then the program will ask the user to enter the student ID. Then it will go to the display underscore sp function, which has the parameter of student ID. Otherwise, other than number 1, other than the user enter number 1, then the function will exit. Okay, the third one is entry, the flowchart for entry underscore menu function. Also, the user need to enter choice. If the choice equals to number 1, then it will go to the write underscore student function. If the user enter number 2, the system will go to the display underscore sp with the parameter of number function. If the user enter number 3, it will go to the modify underscore student with the parameter of number also. The function. And if the user enter number 4, it will go to the delete underscore student function with the parameter of number. If the user enter number 5, it will exit the function. Otherwise, it will, other than number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, it will go back to the enter choice. Okay, next is the flowchart for calculate function. This function will calculate the percentage of the overall marks for physics, chemistry, maths, English, and computer science mark. So if the percentage is over 80, then the grade will be an A. If the percentage greater or equals to 70, the grade will be B. If the percentage greater or equals to 50, the grade will be C. If the percentage greater or equals to 40, the grade will be D. Otherwise, the grade equals to fail. And then the function the function exit. And next is flowchart for get data, void get data. The user need to enter the ID of the student name, physics, their physics mark, chemistry mark, English mark, maths mark, computer science mark, and it will go to the calculate function, and then the function will exit. Next is the flowchart for the show data function. This function will print the ID of the student's name, their physics mark, chemistry mark, English mark, maths mark, computer science mark, and print their percentage and grade. Then it will exit. Next is the flowchart for write underscore student function. This function will read the data from the student files, and it will write the new data if the user created it, and then it will close and exit the function. And the next one is display underscore sp function. It will read the data from the student files and search for the same student's ID as the user entered, and it will display the student's record. And the next one is flowchart for our modify underscore student with the parameter of the data type integer. It will read the data of the students with the it will read the student's record in this file, and it will modify if the user choose this function, and it will modify the data in this file. And the last one is delete underscore student function. It will read the data from the student's file, and it will delete the certain data if the user access it, and then it will exit the function.